Hi everyone, welcome back to Class 24 Study Abroad. Today I'm giving you a quick, clear breakdown of the Masters in Biotechnology in Germany. If you are interested in genetics, pharmaceuticals, lab research, or bioinnovation, then Germany might be the perfect destination for you. Germany is a global leader in biotechnology. Think of the companies like Bayer, Merck, BioNTech, Boehringer and Ingelheim. These are the giants that hire biotechnology graduates every single year. Why Germany? Because you get world-class research facilities, top public universities, almost zero tuition fees, and a huge demand for skilled biotech professionals. Let's look at some of the top universities. TU Munich, known for applied life sciences. RWTH Aachen, excellent for molecular and applied biotechnology. University of Stuttgart, strong in bioprocess engineering. University of Freiburg, amazing programs in biotechnology and synthetic biology. And Heidelberg University, globally respected for molecular biosciences. Now, what do you do to get in? A bachelor's degree in biotechnology, microbiology, biochemistry, or life sciences. A minimum of around 70 to 75%. IELTS 6.5 in most cases. A well written motivation letter and having research or lab experience is always a plus. Most master's programs are taught in English. German is not required for admission, but learning the basic will help you later when you apply for jobs. Let's talk about fees. Public universities in Germany usually charge 0 to 1500 euros per year. Your main expense is living cost, which is around 900 to 1100 euros per month. You can work part time for 20 hours per week to support yourself. Now, the big question, jobs. Germany is investing heavily in biotechnology, pharmaceuticals, vaccine research, and biomedical engineering. After your master's, you can work in genetic research, pharma companies, bioprocess engineering, biomedical labs, clinical trials, and biotech startups. Average starting salary ranges from 45,000 to 55,000 euros per year and increases quickly as you gain experience. Thank you for watching.